Hello, hi everyone. This is our Prestige Clean Home Vacuum Cleaner. So it's very easy to um, clean your house with the help of this. So you can look into the description section for the link on the model. So you have an on button here, and this is to open and clean out the dust. There is a bag over here where you can clean the dust deposited. This has a very long handle that you can stand and clean. No need to bend much, and this has a very long wire where you can connect from one room to another room. So just switch it off. So this is how you need to clean. Just need to press and remove it off. So you have a sack here. So this is what it is. And there will be a lot of dust deposited here also, especially the thread, twine, hair, and any twigs or whatever will be deposited here. Just take a brush and remove it off. It's very effective. So you just need to take a brush or use a gloves and remove it off, and use the same method. Just dust it off and put it inside, assemble it accordingly and fix it. Thank you for watching. So this is at Prestige, and look into the description section on where you can buy this product. Thank you.